Hi everybody and welcome back from spring break. It's time for a quick look inside Vancouver Public Schools. I'm Nick Vohl. Pretty much every kid at some point pretends they're a character they see in a movie or read about in a book. It could be a superhero, a princess, or somebody else. At Lakeshore Elementary, a special event helped make those fantasies real, if only for a moment. Colleen Jamieson has the story.
Karina Tobin, a photographer and teacher at Gaiser Middle School, is at a shoot along with some of her students. They're taking photos of students with special needs at Lakeshore Elementary. It's not the typical picture day you'll see at the beginning of the school year.
They come here and they pick from all these amazing costumes.
Some pick superheroes, others select princesses, then they pose for the cameras.
We're trying to do something different with each one, trying to get them to act like the character or just do something that they want to do, or like Superman, or just a bunch of different things. It's kind of just whatever they want to do.
It's fun for the kids to be a model for a day.
I was happy that we tried the costumes on.
How did you feel when you were in Elsa's costume?
Good.
Good.
And proud.
And proud?
I think a little girl came in, Ariel, and she was just so happy. She was just going with it, sitting on the ground, flipping the little mermaid tail around. It was just amazing seeing the pure joy on her face. It's just amazing.
But that's only half the magic.
My students have learned how to Photoshop them into backgrounds that coincide with those costumes.
The final product transports students into a world of fantasy. Ms. Tobin is working in partnership with a nonprofit called Capes and Crowns and with a $19,000 grant from 100 Women Who Care, Southwest Washington. The models get a memory they and their families can cherish, and the student photographers have a real-life work experience.
I love getting my students out of our own school and out of the classroom and coming in and experiencing something that they might not have ever got to experience.
They also get to bridge the gap with other children they may not meet otherwise.
The fact that they're able to see students with disabilities and students that are nonverbal and in wheelchairs and things that they might not have experienced before, they're getting to see a different light and a different joy in those students.
And it's just amazing. It's just a great opportunity to experience something different and be able to help out in something that's amazing.
Superheroes! Superheroes! Good job.
Ms. Tobin says that Lakeshore is the pilot site, and thanks to the grant, they'll expand out to other Vancouver public schools. For more information on the nonprofit, check out capesandcrowns.org. Check this out, it's our favorite social media post of the day. This time we have something from Vancouver iTech Preparatory. Their robotics team had a pretty good spring break. They competed in the Washington State VEX Robotics Competition, battling other schools for robotic supremacy. As you can see in this tweet, they took home the Build Award and had a strong showing overall. Nice job, Ravens. And hey, since you're obviously on social media, why not connect with Vancouver Public Schools? We're on Facebook, Twitter, YouTube, and Instagram. Until next time, I'm Nick Vohl.